Good morning, students. How are you, everyone? I hope everyone fine. Today we start again a rational number system. Before class, we finish up to exercise 1.1 third Roman. Now again start this class exercise 1.1 fourth Roman to 10th Roman sums. Exercise 1.1 fourth Roman, write 4 rational numbers equivalent to asking. So first sum minus 3 by 5. Equivalent ratio means you multiply the same denominator and numerator same number multiply. So first sum minus 3 by 5 equal minus 3 by 5 multiply 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means denominator and numerator minus 6 by 10, and again minus 3 by 5 3 table multiply. So 3 3s are minus 9, 5 3s are 15. Next you multiply for fourth table. So denominator and numerator common number multiply for 4. So minus 3 multiply 4 minus 12 by 5 4s are 20, and again final last number minus 3 by 5 multiply 5 table 5 denominator numerator 5 by 5. So answer minus 15 by 25. So 4 equivalent ratio numbers of minus 3 by 5 minus 6 by 10 comma minus 9 by 15 comma minus 12 by 20 comma minus 15 by 25. Next second sum 7 by minus 6, the same manner 2 table 3 table 4 table 5 table. That means commonly you multiply. If you cancellation means coming standard form, finally 7 by minus 6. So first multiply 2. So answer is 14 by minus 12, and second one multiply third numerator and denominator third 3 numbers. So 7 3s are 21, 6 3s are minus 18. Next you multiply for number 4. 7 by minus 6 multiply denominator and numerator 4. The answer is 7 4s are 28, 6 4s are minus 24. The same manner again you multiply number 5. 7 by minus 6, 5 by 5 equal 35 by 30. So 4 equivalent ratio numbers of 7 by minus 6 are 14 by minus 12, 21 by minus 18, 28 by 24, 35 by minus 30. And fourth Roman third sum 8 by 9. So the same manner 8 by 9 multiplies second table, third table, fourth table and fifth table. So 8 by 9 multiply 2 table multiply means 16 by 18, and third number multiply means 24 by 27, and 8 by 9 denominator and numerator same number multiply 4. So 8 4s are 32, 9 4s are 36. Again 8 by 9 equal 8 by 9 multiply 5 by 5 equal 8 5s are 40 and 9 5s are 45. So 4 equivalent ratios (8 by 9) are 16 by 18, 24 by 27, 32 by 36, 40 by 45. Next Roman, draw the number line and respect the following rational numbers on it. Already teaching for how to draw in number line. So first this before you check number is proper fraction or improper fraction. So first sum 9/4, this is for improper fraction. So check to mixed fraction, how to change divide. So 4 9 divide how many times? 2 times. So 2 4s are 8, remaining value 1. So the value 2 1/4. 4 means you segregate the values 4 parts. So 9/4 lies between 2 and 3. The unit parts between 2 and 3 is divided to 4 parts of the question. Two and 3. So divide the unit values 4 equal parts. So 0 to 1 and 1 and 2, 2 and 3, for all this divide 2 1/4, 4 parts. So first one 1/4 means, so 2 1/3. So I am marking the value is 2 1/3 and 9/4. Second one, third sum -17/-5. So minus minus into plus, so you write 17/5. 17/5 equal improper fraction, change it to mixed fraction. 3 5s are 15, remaining value 2. So 3 2/5. So 17/5 lies between 3 and 4 in the number line. In divided value 5, so we change the unit parts between 3 and 4 into 5 equal parts. So draw in number line 0, left hand side -1 -2 and right hand side 1 2 3 and 4. In 3 and 4 in between we divide the unit parts 5 unit parts. So 1 2 3 and remaining values 5. Okay, so now after 3, second 2/5 only the answer. So 1 2, so second one I marking, no, that is the value. So second one 3 2/5. Now fourth one, before how the same manner check the value 15/-4, the same proper change the value minus 15/-4 equal how 4 table 3 times. So 3 4s are 12, remaining values 3. So minus 3 3/4. So minus 3 3/4 lies between -3 and -4. The unit parts between -3 and -4 is divided into 4 parts. So now draw a number line, write the values, put 0 1 -1 -2 and -3 and -4. -3 and -4 in between 4 unit parts divide 1 2, 3, and final one, fourth value. So now asking 3, 1, 2, 3. So third is minus 3, 3 by 4. So this is the how to draw in number line. Now find the values rational number for the points marked on the number line. In your book exercise 1.1 6th Roman, so first one, see the image. So minus 4 and minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, the value in between minus 3 and minus 4. So how many divided? 3 parts of dividing. In second part only coming question mark. So the answer, the number lies between minus 3 and minus 4. The unit part between minus 3 and minus 4 is divided into 3 equal parts. The second part is asked. The required number is minus 3, 2 by 3 equal 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2, 11 by 3 minus 11 by 3 answer. Second one, the same second sum. So the same manner, check the values minus 1 and 0. Check it how many parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 equal parts in dividing. So answer, question as second part. So the required number lies between 0 and minus 1. The unit part between 0 and minus 1 is divided into 5 equal third sum. Draw a picture, otherwise see in your book. Third question, in between now coming 1 and 2, in between how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 parts coming. So fourth one only asking question. In between 1 and 2. So the required number lies between 1 and 2. The unit part between 1 and 2 is divided into 4 equal parts and the third part is taken. The required number is 1 3/4 equal 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1, 4 plus 3, 7/4. In 1.1, 7th Roman, using average, write 3 rational numbers between 14/5 and 16/3. The average of A and B is formula 1/2 A plus B. So A equal A value A equal 14/5 and B equal 16/3. The average of 14/5 and 16/3 is C1 equal 1/2 bracket 14/5 plus 16/3. So on 5 and 3 different number, so take LCM 5 and 3, the value 5 multiply 3 equal 15. So we check as usual before previous class what's informed, the same manner 14/5 multiply 3/3 because 5 3s are 15. So 14 3 is 42/15 and 16/3 multiply 5/5 equal 16 5s are 80 by 5 3s are 15. So now we calculate C1 value. C1 equal to 1/2 bracket 42/15 plus 80/15 close the bracket equal 1/2 42 plus 80/15. So C1 value equal 122/15 multiply 1/2. Now 2 and 122 cancellation for 2 table. So 122/15 2s are 30. So 30 and 122 cancellation 122/30. 61 2s are 122, 15 2s are 30. So C1 value equal 61/15. So 14/5 less than 61/15 less than 16/3. So C1 value equal 61/15. Next we calculate C2 value. C2 equal to 1/2 A plus C1 value. So A equal 14/5 and C1 value equal 61/15. C2 equal 1/2 bracket 14/5 plus 61/15 close the bracket. Here different numbers, so take LCM 5 15 equal the value 15 would take LCM value. So 14/5 multiply 3/3 equal 42/15. 61/15 15 as usual same number, so multiply the 1 by 1 equal 61 by 15. So now C2 value equal 1 by 2, 42 by 15 plus 61 by 15, close the bracket. So 1 by 2, 42 plus 61 by 15, so equal 1 by 2, 42 plus 61, 103 by 15. Here no cancellation, so 103s are 103 by 215s are 30. So now 14 by 5 less than 103 by 30 less than 61 by 15. So 14 by 5 and 61 by 15 between 103 by 30. So C2 value equal 103 by 30. Next C3. So the average of 103 by 30 and 61 by 15 is C3 equal 1 by 2 bracket 103 by 30 plus 61 by 15. So take LCM value, LCM 30 and 15. So LCM 30 comma 15, the value calculate 30. So 103 by 30 multiply 1 by 1 equal 103 by 30. 61 by 15 multiply 2 to 2 by 2 equal 122 by 30. Now C3 equal 1 by 2, 103 by 30 plus 122 by 30. C3 equal to 1 by 2, 103 plus 122 by 30 equal 1 by 2, 103 plus 122, add the value 225 by 30. So again we check 225 by 30, cancellation the 5 table. So 1 by 2 multiply 225 by 30. In 30 2 15s are and 225 15 15s are 225. So 1 by 2 multiply 15 by 2 equal 1 15s are 15, 2 2s are 4. So now value 15 by 4. So C3 equal 15 by 4. So 103 by 30 less than 15 by 4 less than 61 by 15. So the average of numbers 14 by 5 and 16 by 3, 14 by 5 less than 103 by 30 less than 15 by 4 less than 61 by 15 less than 16 by 3. 1.1 eighth sum, verify the minus x and minus of minus x is the same x for. So first one x equal 11 by 15. So first condition, both side add the minus. So minus x equal minus 11 by 15. Again what say minus in extra one minus add. So minus of minus x equal to minus of minus 11 by 15. Now minus into minus plus x equal to 11 by 15. So minus of minus x equal value is equal to x, and the same second one also x equal minus 31 by 45 minus x equal minus of minus 31 by 45. So minus x equal minus into minus plus 31 by 45. Again put add extra 1 minus of minus x equal to again minus 31 by 45. So minus into minus plus x, so minus of minus x equal x. And ninth sum, rearrange the suitable and add the value minus 3 by 7 plus 5 by 6 plus 4 by 7 plus 1 by 3 plus 13 by minus 6. Already we informed 4 basic operator rational numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in previous class. Now you check the denominator values and change the numbers. So minus 3 by 7 plus 4 by 7 plus 5 by 6, 13 by minus 6 plus 1 by 3. So common denominator values we change. So equal minus 3 by 7 plus 4 by 7 close the bracket plus 5 by 6 plus into minus. So plus into minus minus 13 by 6 plus 1 by 3. Now we check the values denominator equal. So minus 3 plus 4 close the bracket plus denominator 6 5 minus 13 plus 1 by 3. So 1 by plus 4 is big number, no, so 4 minus 6 1 by 7, 4 minus 3 1, so 1 by 7 plus 13 5 by minus 8 by 6. Why is coming minus? Minus number is big number, so 13 minus 5 by 6 plus 1 by 3. So 1 by 7 minus 8 by 6 plus 1 by 3. Take LCM value 7, 6 and 3 is 42. So 7, 6, 3, take LCM, third table, 7, 2 3s are 6, 1 3s are 3, again 2 table, 7, 1 2s are 2, comma 1, again take 7 table, 1 7s are 7, commonly answers 1, so 3 into 2 into 7, so answer is 42. So now we calculate the value 1 by 7 multiply 6 7s are 42. So denominator numerator same number multiply 1 6 are 6 by 7 6 are 42 minus 8 by 6 multiply 7 table 8 7s are 56 by 6 7s are 42 and 1 by 3 14 times will multiply. So 14 by 14 equal 1 14s are 14 by 42. So 6 by 42 plus minus 56 by 42 and plus 14 by 42. So equal common value 42, 6 plus into minus, so minus 6 minus 56 plus 14 equal positive numbers, add the value 20 minus 56 by 42. So equal 56 is the big number, so 56 minus 20 minus 36 by 42. This number both are even number, so cancellation in 6 table. So 7 6 are 42, 6 6 are 36, so minus 6 by 7. Now finally 10th sum. What should be added to minus 8 by 9 to get 2 by 5? Solution. Let the number to be added equal x, because no what number we don't know, so that purpose only write the value x. So minus 8 by 9 plus x equal 2 by 5. So x value 2 by 5, minus change it to plus, so minus of minus 8 by 9, so equal 2 by 5, minus into minus plus 8 by 9. So take LCM, 5 comma 9 45. So as usual the same manner, 2 by 5 multiply 9 table, so 18 by 45, 8 by 9 by 5 table, 8 9s are 40 by 45. So x equal 18 by 45 plus 40 by 45. So same denominator, no, so the value 18 plus 40 58 by 40. So the number to be added 58 by 45. Students, today class over. So today homework, follow the max video and work out exercise 1.1 4th Roman to 10th Roman, all the sums 2 times work out. If you any doubt means you ask to your class teacher, again I will send, and also I will send PDF format of all the sums.